In this video, I will show you how to change password on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. And this is what the initial dashboard should look like. Now, under the dashboard, you can find dashboard and domains. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to the far right where we have the icon that displays our display image. We click on that and we're going to go to security. Under the security tab on the left side of the sidebar, we have the login info and we have advanced features. Now, the login info, because my login provider is Google, I automatically sign in using my Google email. But if you do not have a Google email to sign in with, it's going to list the email that you sign in with and it's going to give you the option to change your password. And from there, you're going to click on the option to change the password and you're going to change your password. And please be mindful because it's going to ask you to go through the verification process to confirm that you are the owner of the account. Now, that's how you change password on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.